Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Tuesday Afternoon Weather Webcast for January 27th, 2015. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. The big news today is that big winter storm up in the northeast part of the country. Blizzard conditions in some portions of Massachusetts, Connecticut, and New York today. The heaviest of the snow, though, missed some of the bigger cities. New York City, the travel bans have already been lifted, but some parts of those states that I mentioned, Massachusetts, Connecticut, also Rhode Island, and even eastern portions of New York on Long Island got hit hard with this storm. So let's take a look at where the storm is right now. You can see a pretty well-defined center of circulation, at least on radar with this storm, where that big spot of no reflectivity, basically just to the east of Boston, but some heavier snow bands still in the eastern sections of Massachusetts, Connecticut, also all of Rhode Island, New Hampshire, and Maine. The heaviest of the snowfall has basically been concentrated from, let's say here, you follow the yellow line, that's where the heaviest of the snowfall has been, basically right there. Snowfall totals anywhere from 15 to 16 inches to 2 feet of snow has fallen, with some pretty amazing pictures online. I encourage you to go search those out. Mashable's website has a very good breakdown of all the pictures they've seen on social media from this storm. Hurricane force winds also were reported on Nantucket Island earlier. 78 mile per hour wind gust was reported there, and that was the strongest wind we've seen. Blizzard warnings continue until tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. for those shaded regions in orange. You see winter storm warnings continue also until 4 a.m. We'll start to see that storm continue to lift off to the north. It did affect our weather, brought some cooler air in for us for the last couple of days, and will continue to do so. A big trough with this storm has brought some colder air in for this morning and will for tomorrow morning as well. You see 35 in Dothan, 32 Ozark, 30 in Enterprise, 28 this morning in Abbeville. Thought we would get a few spots below freezing, and that's what happened. Mostly clear for today, not a cloud to be seen in the Wiregrass for this afternoon. And even with all that sunshine, temperatures stayed a little bit below average until we got to past lunchtime, where temperatures rose into the 60s. I don't buy the 75 in Crestview. No way it's that warm there. Temperatures have been a little wonky out of that observing station here the last couple of days, but right near 60 degrees for afternoon highs. Winds right now still brisk out of the north and northwest, 10, 15, 20 miles per hour, gusting higher at times, anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour. So another very breezy day, even though the wind calmed down enough for those temperatures to go cold for early this morning. I think the winds will stay up until we get to tonight once again, and that's when temperatures will start to drop. Clear sky for tonight. Nice sunny day on tap for Wednesday. Looks like temperatures will be a little cooler than what they were today. We'll see numbers in the mid-50s as far as that goes. Another nice day a nice night for Wednesday. Thursday should be nice as well, with an increase in clouds by Thursday afternoon and into Friday. Temperatures for tomorrow morning will be cooler than what they were for this morning because of the cooler or the drier air, and also because of the winds going calm. You need some wind to really mix up the atmosphere, but if you have no wind, that's when things can get downright chilly. I think below 30 degrees for a handful of spots, especially in the north. I think 33 or 34 for Dothan tomorrow morning. Temperatures for tomorrow afternoon will be cooler than today, about 5, 6, 7 degrees cooler, only in the mid-50s for afternoon highs. So no big winter storm around here, but it is causing some effects here in the Wiregrass in the southeast, and that winter storm continues to pull on out. We'll have more of kind of an in-depth look at some of the highlights from that winter storm. A lot of folks bearing the brunt of it. I know it's going to get some negative press because it was a bust in some other parts of the Northeast, but they got it basically dead on in the worst affected areas, coastal portions of Massachusetts and Connecticut, and also Maine and New Hampshire, just getting walloped with heavy snow and also lots and lots of wind. We'll talk about our forecast in depth, the 5-day coming up tonight on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10, and also on WRGX News at 5:30. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back here on Wednesday.